What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. My name is Jonathan. If you guys are brand new here, this channel is all about helping you guys grow and start your high ticket online business. Now, in today's video, we're going to go ahead and talk about how to literally sell your high ticket services online and how to not sell your high ticket services online. Now, when it comes to selling your high ticket services online, we have to understand a few things. We cannot sell to anybody that doesn't know you, like you, and trust you. It's super important, guys. If you haven't watched my last video about developing your personal brand and being able to attract business instead of you having to go to them, this is super important to understand even before getting started. And the reason why is because if people have no idea who you are, they're not going to give you $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 if they have no idea who you are. You have to understand that we're talking about high ticket services at this point. So they have to get over the trust triangle. They have to get over the trust hump. They have to go ahead and get over that trust mountain that they have in front of them. So, for example, this is your customer right now. They need help, right? Need help. This is you saying, I help blank with this problem. So your ideal client is looking at that and they're saying, okay, it sounds like this guy can help me. It sounds like this guy could actually help me achieve that certain result. But there's a trust barrier, right? There's a trust wall right here. There's literally a trust wall right here that they have to get over, and so they can go ahead and hire you. All right, there's a trust wall right there with some spikes at the end, right? Let's put the spikes at the end because they've probably been burnt in the past with other consultants, with other services, with other high ticket services. So they have this trust, thing higher than ever, spikier than ever, ruthless than ever. There's probably even a tiger here. There's probably even a tiger there stopping them from jumping over that hurdle. So what do we have to understand? Like, this client has to get over this, and the best way to go ahead and get your ideal client to get over this is by you providing a result for their business, for their life, before asking for anything. And the only way you're going to go ahead and do this is by you providing content, right? You providing content that stacks up on each other. Right, so content piece number one helps them. So that's the first step. Content piece number two helps them. Content piece number three helps them even more. Content piece number four helps them even more until you have built literally a little stair that gets them to jump over the hurdle. Now, same thing when they're on the way to come back, because if they jump too high, they're gonna get hurt. So guess what? Another content piece is gonna help them come down, so they can go ahead and meet with you where you want them to meet, which is right here. All right, we want them to go from here to here, and the best way to do that is by stacking content pieces. You want to go ahead and stack content pieces that helps them get over that trust hump, that helps them get over that trust mountain with spikes at the top of it, that they're scared that they might get hurt. They're scared that they might lose money because they have lost money like that in the past. They hire consultant one, right? They hire consultant one or coach number one, and guess what happened? They lost money. Then they hire coach number two, and guess what happened? They lost money. They hired coach or agency number three, and guess what happened? Boom, they lost money again and again. So the more they have tried to fix the problem, the more they have tried it, and the more they have failed with other people, the higher the trust mountain is gonna be. So the higher this trust, right, the trust factor is gonna be. So you're gonna have to create more and more steps to help this person go from where they are to where they want to be. And it's not going to happen overnight. It's not going to happen by you sending a cold email or an Instagram DM. It's not going to happen by you jumping on a call. It's going to happen only when you stack up valuable content. When you stack up valuable content over time, that helps them get one step closer to their ideal goal. That helps them go from where they are now to a little bit closer, a little bit closer, a little bit closer. And then like that, they're going to be like, oh wow, this person is actually amazing. This person has actually helped me achieve a certain result without me even paying them, without even asking for any money. They have, gave me a result. So what do you think is going to happen when they get here? Do you think they're going to go ahead and object to you when they book a call? Do you think they're going to go ahead and say, hey, I got to think about it? No, because your content just took them over a journey. It took them through a journey of overcoming their fears and getting them to trust you, getting them to know you. So this is all about you finding out if they are a good fit for your program. And if they are, or as simple as just giving them an offer and say, hey, I could go ahead and help you with that. Do you want me to help you? They're going to say yes, because they already know who you are. They already like you. They already trust you. And they're going to go ahead and give you money. This is the way you sell stuff online. Now, you have to understand that this is a process. This is a process that could take 30 days, could take 60 days, it could take 90 days, it could take 120 days, right? It could take 6 months, it could take a year to go ahead and build this for your ideal client. Depends how much you charge, and depends how consistent you're being with this. But that's one word that I want you guys to remember. You have to be consistent and just go in every single day. Every day, right? Going every day to drop a piece of content that helps your ideal client. Because your client wants to see that you are consistent, that you are showing up day in and day out, because that shows that you believe in yourself and that you can actually help that person with your content. That's the only reason why you're creating content, to be able to obviously generate attention for you, get people to know you, like you, and trust, right? Get them over that trust factor, get them to trust you. That's literally the only reason you're coming out with content. But you're also coming out with content to be able to help them achieve a result. Every single time I create a video, I think to myself, hey, is this going to be valuable for my ideal client? Is this going to be valuable for somebody that's having this issue? If it's not, then I don't create it. I go ahead and cancel it completely. And this is something that I wanted to go ahead and touch bases with you. Now, as most of you guys know, I have an agency. I literally have an agency where I work clients, and these videos that I'm creating are not for my agency. They're for you guys. They're for like people who are, are starting to go ahead and sell their knowledge online. They are wanting to sell their knowledge online. Why? It's because I'm creating a coaching program. I'm creating something that I'm going to be sharing my knowledge with a few of you guys on a one-to-one basis. Why? Because I get asked so many times, hey, Jonathan, how do you go ahead and achieve a result? How do you go ahead and do this? How do you do this? How do you run ads? And I want to go ahead and share my knowledge with you guys, so I know my ideal client is struggling with getting clients. So that's what I want my coaching program to be about helping you guys go ahead and get more clients and go from where you guys are now to where you guys want to be. It's that simple. And the way I'm doing it is I'm showing you guys the pathway. I'm literally showing you guys the way I'm doing it so you guys can do it yourself. I'm creating content. I'm showing up consistently. I'm showing up every day. I'm getting people to know me. I'm getting you guys to like me, and I'm getting you guys to trust me, so you guys can hopefully hire me as your coach or consultant if we are a good fit to help you guys grow your business. It's that simple. Now, if we are, I'll leave a link down below where you guys can actually book in a call. And I wanted to go ahead and conclude this video here, guys. I wanted to keep it short, sweet, and to the point. I wanted to really go ahead and point out about that trust mountain, about the trust factor that your ideal client has to come over, and for them to go ahead and hire you as a coach or as a consultant or as a marketing agency. So guys, thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for being here right now. I really do appreciate it. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, go ahead and comment down below. Let me know what's your biggest question when it comes to starting an online business, and I'll talk to you guys later.